heard them say that time is constant. Imagine there is a frame of time, that infinite space. Imagine it in a frame. Do you see how this moment is hanging within this frame? That pungent smell, that sound of a bell, that taste, that smile, that fire. The sound of a ripple in the water, that's life. It's not happening in your mind where you reminisce past or imagine future. Life is in these fascinating, forgotten, finite moments. These moments are fleeting. Do you see now? Time may be constant, but life is fleeting.
बोलिए गंगा मैया की, बाबा विश्वनाथ की, माता अन्नपूर्णा की, उदीयमान सूर्य की, समस्त देवी देवताओं की